I've had this Worx saw for, I don't know, 5 years, probably going on to 6, can't really remember. Fantastic saw. And you've seen me use it in videos, and I can't fault it in any other way. The only way this was improved is when Worx, about a year ago, sent me this, the battery version. It's a great bit of kit and it's very, very handy. And of course, no cable, so you're not tied. That was the improvements. And when I made a video about how much I like this thing, there I am, cutting stuff away and enjoying myself, quite obviously. Bold as brass, I chopped the cable off this. Here I am, look at me. I look so proud of myself, don't I? Yeah, just cutting the cable off a saw. Now I want to put the cable back on this simply because it just seems weird. It seems very odd. It feels like I've castrated the poor bugger. Have I got some cable? I'm in the habit of, when I find broken extension leads in a bin or a skip or something like that, I snip the cable off. And now I have this long length of cable already with a sealed fuse on it, plug on it with a fuse. So it's a matter of connecting this cable to this machine. Give me a nice long length of cable to use. Voila! So that's what I'm going to do today. But I'm still going to really like my battery version. I have to admit, I was quite surprised by that. I was expecting some kind of junction box where they're fitted manually. They were very securely covered by these covers, and I've never ever had a problem with it. So I'm just going to fit it exactly the same way that they have, because it obviously works. I'm no electrician. I'm not going to get fancy. I'm going to connect the two wires as they're seen here, and then here they are, and then secure them with these fittings. Yeah, but I was a bit surprised. And there he is, all back to normal, uncastrated, back with some power. As you just seen, Worx a treat. But I still likes me battery operated one. Nothing like being untied from the grid. Well, to be honest, they're both incredibly great scores. Complete overkill as always, Jeff. As always. Just can't do anything normal, can you? You have to have 1,000 bloody meters of cable from one extreme to the other.